This movie clip is to show how to put the sidewall sections of a Sturdi-Built Greenhouse together. Sections like this, most people don't have a table big enough for the whole section. But if you use some of the longer pieces from the roof section, which we haven't built yet, like this ribbon, we can lay the components on that. Sometimes you need to use two. You can use a 2x4. And if you have sawhorses, that's the best thing to do, is lay a couple of long 2x4s down first to act as your table. We'll start by attaching the eave to the sidebars. At the bottom of the eave, we have an outline of each side, or one sidebar, to give you an example, with center lines marked. That goes in just like that. To help with the holding process, we've developed this little tool. It goes up into the glass groove, and we'll hold that sidebar in place. What I suggest doing is starting the upper screw so that it just barely protrudes the bottom of the eave. And you can set the sidebar in place using the tool, making sure it's on the center line. And driving the top screw into place, followed by the bottom screw. Continues with the assembly of the sidewall section. We have the eave plate attached to all the sidebars, and now we want to attach the sill plate in a similar fashion. Again, we have one outline of how the sidebar attaches to the sill plate. We have this glazing groove here that we're going to line up with the glass shoulder there on the sidebar, and you just line that up and center it again on the center line. No tool needed this time. And then you can screw it in. I found as a good technique for screwing this together is to start the two screws so that they just almost stick through. Line up the sidebar on the center line as we've done before, and then screw together. Now what I've also found is that on the first screw, I can't always hold it as tight as I'd like, so I back it out, pull it together again, and then drive it home. And then you can go ahead and put the second screw in, holding the sidebar and the screwdriver tight together.